Hey guys, today let's learn how to change the lock screen clock font size on iPhone iOS 17. So if you want to go ahead and change the lock screen clock font size, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to accomplish this is to go on over to our lock screens or notification centers. So scroll down until you see your notification centers, and what I want you to do is to long press on your screens until you see this option to customize, and tap on customize right here, tap on lock screen, and what I want you to do is to tap on your clock, and that's going to give us the option to change its font size right here on this big slider. So actually it's not this big slider, but you could actually choose other font colors with that, and as you see, we have the option to do that right here. You can actually choose other fonts over here, other fonts, font colors, and other fonts as well. So basically we can see the option to change our font size with this slider as we see. So once you put this slider on to the very end, it gives you the thinnest possible font size. You also have the other end of the spectrum, which is going to be the thicker font size or font boldness. As you see, that's the most that we can do to change the font size. We can only change its thickness and thinness. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Now tap on done once you're done and choose the current lock screen, and that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.